Hello, Centennial community. I am giving an update on material distribution for Monday, February 22nd. We've got a couple of changes that I wanted to make sure everyone was aware of, and then just wanted to walk through the process for that evening. So, material distribution, as you know, is from 2:30 to 5:30 at Centennial. The following classes that you see on the screen here are the classes that are doing the distribution. So we've got Family Consumer Science and Kitchen Academy with Miss MD. Anyone that has already checked out a library book or has books that they like to return, and then any student that's enrolled in forensics or all 7th graders that are in general science. You'll need to come to campus to pick up your materials. And the big change has to do with our check-in process upon entry to the parking lots. So what we're asking is that you can enter at either driveway. There will be a greeter there, but please note that we will have the driveway at the crosswalk entrance closed. When people enter at the crosswalk entrance, it just tends to create a little bit more of a traffic backup. So please come through the bus loop or the parent drop-off loop. What's different this time is we are using a QR code for efficiency with your check-in process. We're hoping that this will help you to expedite getting checked in and then get the materials dropped off to your vehicle so you can be on your way as quickly as possible. So if a QR code is new to you, you will need a phone with internet and a camera. If you do not have one, that's okay. We'll be able to take care of that for you. We will have greeters at both of the driveway entrances. If you do have a phone available to you, or a tablet, you can go ahead and follow the steps. You do not need to have an iPhone, but here's an example. So a QR code looks like this. You'll just open up your camera image, and I'll hold your camera, like your picture, over that QR code, and immediately once it scans the QR code, it's going to give you a pop-up for a web browser. And then once you click on that web browser, it's going to redirect you to a Google form that we've created that has 3 simple questions that you'll be completing, and that will send information directly to the inside people that have all of the materials in bags, and they'll run them out to you. So just wanted to show you what that looks like. So once you scan that QR code, the website that you're redirected to looks like this. CMS material distribution. The following questions are what you need to answer. So I'll show you right now what this looks like. So if I have my student named Ashley Smith needing materials to get picked up, I'd go ahead and type in her first and last name. If you have a second child that's in your car that is a CMS student, whether it's your second child or a neighbor child that you're bringing, or a friend of your students, you can go ahead and type their name in here, but this is not a required field in case you only have one student that you're picking up for. You do need to identify which lot you're in. So for me, I have Ashley Smith in my vehicle. We are in the parent drop-off loop. Identifying your vehicle helps us just to narrow down so we can find you a little bit quicker. So I drive an SUV, and my SUV is gold. And then once I complete those fields, I just go ahead and submit it. And just so you know, on the inside, we have this information that pops up for us immediately. So here today, I'm making the video on the 12th. It's 1:23, and my child is Ashley Smith. I drive an SUV that's gold, and I'm in the parent loop. So that's all the information that will come to us on the inside, and we will run the materials right out to you. So please note, this is a new procedure for us, and we hope it will be an efficient process for all of our families that are bringing their student or coming to pick up items for their student. Thank you so much. See you on the 22nd.